Hi, welcome. Today I would like to talk about currying and how you can use it in JavaScript. So let's get started. So I have the page in Wikipedia open where you can kind of see the basic information on currying. Essentially what it is that if you have a function which takes multiple arguments or tuples, you could evaluate this function in a sequence, each with a single argument. That's what currying is. The easiest way to understand this is by way of example. So to like look at an example, say we have a function x of y is basically y over x, and we want to evaluate say function 2 comma 3. So what you can do here in this case or example they are showing is you can set the value of x to be equal to 2 first. So you would get a new function which is g sub y is equal to function 2 comma y is equal to y over 2. So that's the new function gy. And if you want to get g of 3, it will be f2 comma 3 equal to 3 over 2. So that's what currying essentially is, that you can keep applying the function one step at a time for each argument. And you can kind of see it working in action here. Let me show you here. Basically, I have a div where I can kind of show the original function, and here in this div I'm going to show you the curried function. And let's just take a quick look. I have written this function in TypeScript, and I will also show you the JavaScript. It's pretty much the same. So here let's say we have a function 1 which takes a tag and a string as an argument, so two arguments, and it's basically going to insert the tag, and you can think of it tag as like a paragraph tag in HTML. So this would be the tag, then you get a string, and this would be the closing tag. So that's what this function does. And if you want to see the results, I'm just going to show you that I'm going to change the original inner HTML is equal to 1, and I'm going to give it the two tags p, and this is a test. So that should be fairly straightforward, and you can do this. So let's say if you wanted to do this in a curry fashion, what you want to do is have first a function which takes only one argument. So here I'm taking the function which takes the argument tag, and it's going to return a new function. So that's what this is going to be doing. So I'm returning here a new function, and the new function I'm indicating is going to take the second argument, the string, and the tag is obviously going to be available because of closure from the previous. And here you got the string and the tag, and that's where it is. And to call it, you can see what you want to do is you want to call it with the first argument curry h3, and then you give it the second argument. So this is how you call it. And if you want to look at the JavaScript, it's pretty straightforward. Here you can see the curry is a function, and it's taking a tag and it's returning a function. And if you're not familiar with the TypeScript syntax of the arrow functions, you can use this as well. So that's the way to do curry. And let me show you the results. If I run it through, you can see this is going to be the original, and this is going to be the curried function, which is basically the same. It's put in the h3 tag here, you can see. So this is actually a very good technique. What you want to do is break up a series of functions into smaller functions that are manageable, and then you can call them in whichever order you want to, or the way it's been designed. So thank you for watching this short screencast. If you want to know more or see more videos, you can go to my website and search for videos on currying or that matter for anything else. So thank you for taking the time. You have a good day.